Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Money Me. I have not made a video in a while. I've been busy, sidetracked, doing other things, but I'm still, every day I follow the stock market, and we have to talk about the cat in the room. Not the cat in the hat, but roaring kitty. So I have a screen pulled up here of what we're going to talk about. GameStop today, and actually GameStop was down at $5.03 or 16.5% today. Yesterday it's up, today it's down, yesterday it's up. As you could see here by the chart here on today is the June the 12th. What did we peak out at 5/14, May 14th at 64.83. But this chart here, and I'm using the Webull desktop app. If you guys are interested in signing up and getting a free share of Webull, don't cost you nothing. I think you can get a couple free shares. I don't know. I'll have the link below in the description. I don't make no money off of it. I think they might give me one free. Who knows? A $5 stock. I don't know. I haven't been paying attention much to that referral lately, but just recently, last week, the stock was up after hours. Yeah, June the 7th, it was up after hours to 61.27. Man, I feel sorry for those people that bought that stock after hours. And you know, it's all based off of, and let me look up his name. Roaring Kitty. Who the heck? Keith Gill. Keith Gill from Massachusetts, 38 years old, has this much influence on one single stock. Which is quite amazing. And I just seen his Twitter post, I think it was last night, and this guy's just going to be rich, and I guess he is already from what he's done with the meme stock GameStop before, and now this guy has the ability to move stocks huge. And I wonder, and this is why I want to make it a video. I want you guys comment below and tell me what you think. Would anybody else, would a hedge fund manager or an analyst or anybody else, is this illegal what he's doing? Would he be able to get away with? I mean, and he openly said he bought stock options, and you know how it is with stock options. You know, you can buy a stock for 30 and goes to 60. You make 100%. But when you have the ability to move a stock 50%, 100%, you're talking, you know, you literally could put $10,000 into an option contract and become a millionaire overnight because the expected move on that is only, what, 5% in the month, and then all of a sudden it goes up 50, 100 plus percent. And then we don't know, obviously, was he foolish? What do you guys think? Did he sell out? Did he sit there and you know, from what I understand, and I don't know the whole story, so and to keep these videos short, without, you know, getting his price point, I guess, was $20. Did he have, like, I heard you know, 120,000, yeah, right here, 8 hours ago, 5 million GameStop and 120,000 call options. I mean, think about that. I mean, they were talking about him being almost a billionaire the other night. A billionaire. It just goes to show you how basically Wall Street and anybody, well, not anybody, because I can't do that. And if I did, I would probably go to jail. If I said to my family, hey, go buy some GameStop options tomorrow, I'm going to do a report on Friday, go live, and you're going to make a lot of money. How is that not a conflict of interest or illegal, or the Security Exchange Commission is not looking? I mean, and he's going to be set. He's going to be set because people are going to follow whatever. If he comes out tomorrow and names 5 stocks to go, people are just naturally going to buy him. But we never know what his position is at any time, you know, and GameStop shocked him because they came out and kind of rather smart. They saw that they probably had planned on doing a public offering, and from what I understand, they've reduced. Do they have any debt anymore? I think the market cap of GameStop, last I check, is, let me put this in here a second. GameStop, I think it was 8 billion, and they're sitting on $4 billion in cash. 8.94 billion. But would I buy the stock? Absolutely not. I think GameStop is. I actually looked at it before in the past, but you got to be very careful. Shorts. Because I think GameStop is a dying business. I don't care how much money they have. I think GameStop, the name and the company, could be around. It's funny because I was in the GameStop yesterday and I bought a Funko Pop. It was right next to the T-Mobile, and I went and got my free cup from T-Mobile, and I went over there, and the guy talked me into, hey, for $20, it's usually $25. He says, for $20, you sign up for the Pro membership, and you get a $5 coupon per month. I'm like, wait a minute. They're going to give me $60 a year for $20 for the year? Okay, yeah, I have to buy something, but I can go in there and buy a Funko Pop, let's say $10 or $12, or buy a gift for somebody, or and automatically, in that price range, you get $5 off. I'm like, okay. I mean, and the thing is, they're probably not making $5 on that. They hope that you're buying game systems or $50 items. Those Funko Pops, those are, I mean, I honestly got to think if they're selling for $10 or $12, there's probably a $3 to $4 profit on those. So they're losing money when I go in and do that. So also with GameStop is having to pay rent and pay the employees, the ability to play games on the iCloud and Fortnite and all those other things. I think basically GameStop is going to go the way of Blockbuster. I really think eventually, 5 years, 10 years from now, GameStop will not be, the footprint will be small. And how many games and stuff do you got to sell just to pay the employees? And rents in these places are high. A lot of these GameStop locations are in the malls. So I personally do not like GameStop. They just raised $2.14 billion from a share sale, and but I still don't like it. The revenue for the year, I think the last I checked, was around $3 billion. I personally, I just wouldn't invest into it. I mean, and then you catch it on the wrong side. Yesterday, it was up $5. Yesterday, at one time, is this a daily? Yeah, this is a 1 day. Yeah, this is a chart. What's today? Yeah, it's not going. I don't know why. Maybe okay, yeah. Let's move it over. Duh. So yesterday, here today it was at today's 6/12. Yeah. So today at 33.78, and it closed. So the high today, the day's range was 24.83 to 33.70. So it had a close to 20% swing. That's a lot of volatility, and you're not going to make money buying puts or calls. It's going to be very difficult because of that volatility. They're going to be overpriced. So, guys, tell me what you think. I am going to be doing more videos. I do apologize. Honestly, I have about 500 followers that follow me, and I guess the incentive why I don't do videos as much, and whether it's right or wrong, is I'm not monetized here. How do I get monetized? By getting more subscribers and getting more watch time. I like to talk about things, all things money. Now, I am not a registered, it's supposed to, I guess, say for entertainment purposes. I'm not a registered broker, but I'm a person that buys stocks, sells stocks, and manage. I have 2 sons, they're 401ks, and my wife, and have traded over 20 years, and love stocks, but it can become a little bit of a gambling, and especially with the options and understanding how they work. But guys, follow me, give me thumbs up, and comment below. What are your thoughts about the Roaring Kitty having this much influence to move a stock? And do you think it's illegal or not?